Alright, you guys, so we're going to start lesson 2.1 today. Sorry this video is coming up so late. So before we get into it, I want to ask you some questions, and I want you guys to be thinking about them, okay? So what do you think the find and replace options do? Can you find these options in the ribbon? Does anyone know how you can open these using the keyboard? If you do, go ahead and use those shortcuts, that's fine. Do you notice some of the options you can use to find and replace text based on specific styles and formatting? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open up my topic 1 activity. Review, edit, okay. And we're going to go to our home tab, which we're already on, and we're going to our editing group. So if you remember, it's up here in the top right hand corner, and we're going to go replace. Okay, you can click that, or you can use your keyboard shortcut of Control H. Okay, same thing. So what you're going to do now is type in families, if I can spell, and the find what, and you're going to replace that with volunteers. Okay. So what you're going to do now is you're going to select the replace command, okay? You'll notice that the word families highlights, and then you will click replace again. Another dialog box appears that says we are finished searching this document, and you click OK. And now you're going to enter family, and volunteer. Okay, you can move between the two if you just hit your tab button on your keyboard, okay? So now we are just going to hit replace. I'm sorry, not replace, replace all. Okay, so you replace all, and it says all done. We've made 2 replacements. Click OK, and then close out of that. So we are going to put our cursor at the end of the document, so the very last line, and we're going to go back to the home ribbon, which we are, and we're going to open up the replace dialog box. Okay, so we're going to enter 6 p.m. I'm going to tab and hit 7 p.m. But now we're going to go to this more button, okay? And these are search options. So in the search, we're going to change it from all to up, and then we're going to hit replace, okay? So what that does is it's going to take everything and it's going to go up with the search. Okay, so starting with this very last line and work its way up. So I'm going to go replace, and then it says we've reached the beginning of the document, couldn't find any matches. Do you want to try searching from the end? No. Okay, so after that, you will click the exit, so you can exit out of that. Okay, and then that is all for this one. Besides, saving it like normal, so.